And there it has found our course, and you'll be able to buy now the access for $65. You can purchase it right now, much less expensive. Since I'm going to go ahead now and show you some information about CourseCompass that you'll want to know. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, CourseCompass is where you'll be taking your tests and doing all of your homework for the course. There will be some outside assignments, but most of them will be done right here, either with the textbook homework problems or with the CourseCompass variety problems. I encourage you to get familiar with CourseCompass as soon as you can. I even have some preset homework assignments for you. Once you log into CourseCompass, you'll see Elementary Statistics Spring 2009 online course. We'll go ahead and click on that to select it, and that'll take us to a front page where the left side of the screen will have options for us, and the full part of the screen will have announcements. Please check your announcements daily, minimum weekly. And then we see announcements, do homework, take a test, and chapter contents. I'm going to just briefly show you the do homework tab so that when you get there it is familiarizing to you as well. When it loads up, you'll see sections 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4 do not have a due date associated with them. So I'm going to go ahead and select section 1.2, and all these due dates, by the way, will be changed. And as you can see, I've already done a couple problems here. So I'm going to go ahead and select question 3 to begin. You can start with any question. One interesting note about CourseCompass homework is that it'll give you instant feedback. It also gives you many options for help. So there's always someone available, either myself or there's an Ask the Instructor button here, a Help Me Solve This button, a View the Example, a textbook, animation. Here it says, determine which of the 4 levels of measurement is most appropriate, positions of runners in a race. So let's say that I'm not as familiar with these measurements, and I'm going to click ratio. And I click on to check the answer, and it says no, that I'm not right, and then it gives me the definitions of each of the 4. So now I can see that it's probably a different one, and I can try another one. And then it says nice work, and it's ready to move on. If you get it wrong, you can always do another problem, because it'll always pop up and say similar exercise. Okay, now we're going to go back into CourseCompass, into the front page view, and we're going to look at Take a Test tab. And what you'll see here is the opportunities to take a test. So at that time you'll be given a notice, and it'll pop up with what time is allotted for the exams. As you see here, time limit of 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 50 minutes. Of course, these are due dates will be changed. But one other thing that's here is a lot of opportunity to do sample tests and sample quizzes. You can do the homeworks as many times as you want. I encourage you to work to get 100 and then repeat that 100 on the assignment over and over again till you know it inside and out. The last piece that I want to show you in CourseCompass is the chapter contents. This is your entire textbook online. It's a PDF file. So you can print these pages out and put them in a binder and make notes on them if you like. So here I'm going to select Chapter 1, Introduction to Statistics, and it's going to give me all the different sections in Chapter 1, which is what your first quiz will cover. I'll select Multimedia Textbook section, and once it loads the page, you can see we have a function to print. And there it gives the overview of the chapter and the first set of definitions. It also gives you animations and a you try it option. Now, page through the text, remember to print them out. You can zoom in if you like or zoom back out for your viewing pleasure. I'm going to go ahead and close out of that, and that is the first set of our CourseCompass. I hope you do great and that we have a great semester together.